Dear viewers, we're going to show you how to make grilled pineapple. First of all, we got to take off the skin of the pineapple. We're gonna take up all the skin. Now this middle stem, this one is gonna be a little bit hard. So we take that off. Now we're gonna, so it's gonna be very nice to grill it. Viewers, now we're gonna spice them. We're gonna put a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of coriander, a little bit of cumin, and tiny bit of garam masala. We mix them all together with a little bit of olive oil. Salt to taste, and some pepper, lots of pepper, so it's gonna look and coat it with all the pineapples. Now we're gonna put some oil in a hot pan and we put our pineapple. Viewers, they are cooking away. You can turn them away. Oh, lovely. Look at that. How beautiful they cooked the spices. Viewers, look at the pineapples. They look really yum and delicious, and they caramelized quite nicely. We're going to take it off now. Viewers, this is my beautiful grilled pineapple, and they look really yum and delicious. I'm going to try some now. Enjoy and bon appetit.